Decoding the threat, understanding SQL injection attacks. Introduction to SQL injection attacks. SQL injection is a malicious technique where attackers exploit vulnerabilities in a web application's database layer. By inserting malicious SQL code into input fields, attackers can manipulate the application's database, potentially gaining unauthorized access, stealing data, and causing a complete data loss. How SQL injection works. Imagine a login form where you input your username and password. If the application doesn't properly validate and sanitize these inputs, an attacker can input specially crafted SQL queries. When these queries are executed without proper validation, they can bypass authentication, view or modify or delete data, and even shut down the entire database. Real life impact. SQL injection attacks have led to massive data breaches and compromised sensitive information. Understanding these real-world consequences is crucial to grasp the severity of this threat. How do we defend against SQL injection attacks? Defending against SQL injection requires a multi-layered approach. We can use prepared statements by using parameterized queries and prepared statements to separate SQL code from user data. We can also use stored procedures. Utilize stored procedures to ensure that user input is treated as data and not executable code. Input validation and sanitization. We always make sure that we validate and sanitize user input to prevent malicious SQL code from being executed. Least privilege principle. Ensure that database users have minimum necessary privileges to reduce the potential impact of successful attack. Regular security audits and code reviews are essential. Identifying and fixing potential vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them is crucial for maintaining a secure web application. In conclusion, SQL injection attacks are prevalent and dangerous. By understanding how they work and implementing robust security measures, we can protect our applications and user data from this serious threat. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Prasad Madhvi signing off from Techie Madhvi.